Assalamu alaikum, my name is Shimas Riaz. You are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see that how we can simulate flash distillation in Aspen HYSYS. So let's start. First of all, we will see the example that is present in Coulson volume 2. In the example, we are having equimolar mixture of benzene and toluene, and we have to do flash distillation. Two things have been given to us. One is the pressure, that is 100 kilonewton per meter square, and the other thing is that the vapor that will be produced is at 25% of the feed. So if we are having 100 kg mole of our feed, so it's 25%, that will be 25 kg mole will be vaporized, or we will get in the top product. The top product we will have as 25 kg mole, and the bottom product will be 75 kg mole. So in this question I am going to find the composition of the top product and the bottom product. So let's start with our simulation. First of all, I will add my components. So I am having two components that are benzene and toluene. So I will add my first component, that is benzene, and after adding my first component I will add my second component, that is toluene. After adding my components, I will move to the fluid package. So as these both are organic compounds, so I will select pentobenzen as my fluid package. So I will select pentobenzen. After selecting my fluid package, I will directly move to the simulation environment. After moving to the simulation environment, we see that in Aspen HYSYS there is no such equipment as flash drum. In Aspen Plus we are having a flash drum by which we can do flash distillation. But in Aspen HYSYS we have to use two equipments. That first is heater and then a phase separator. What this heater will do, it will vaporize 25% of the feed. And in the phase separator we will give enough residence time for the vapor and liquid to separate. So let's start with our simulation. I will double click on this heater. I will double click on this heater and I will name as my streams as inlet and outlet as outlet. After this I will name my energy stream as E. After defining my energy stream, it says that unknown delta P. So I will go to the parameters, and in parameters I will define my delta P. In this question I am taking my delta P as 10 kilopascal. After pressing enter, it says that unknown duty. So I will go to the worksheet, and in the worksheet I will define my temperature, pressure and flow rates. Temperature I will take as room temperature 25 degree. Now the pressure here I will take as 110 kilopascal because my delta P is 10 kilopascal. So after my delta P, and the outlet pressure of this feed will be 100 kilopascal, and in the question it is said that we have to do the flash distillation at 100 kilopascal. So I am taking as 100, and you can see that outlet pressure has been 100 because flash distillation in the separator must be at this 100 kilopascal. After this I will take my molar flow rate as basis as 100 kg mole. As I am having equimolar feed, so I will write 0.5 for benzene and 0.5 for toluene. And now for the simulation to occur, I have to define any of the three things. I will explain one by one. First of all, I can define the how much vapor will be produced, or I can define the temperature of the outlet. Or the last thing is in the parameters I can also define the duty. If I can define any of the three things, my simulation will be solved. So in the question we were given that 25% of the feed must be vaporized. So I will write as 0.25% of my feed that must be vaporized. So as soon I had pressed OK, you will see that my simulation has been solved. A green color has been popped up. OK. After this, one last step is remaining. I will double click on this phase separator. I have to define my streams. The inlet stream for this phase separator is outlet, and the vapor outlet I will write as V out, and my liquid I can write as L out. As soon as I will press OK, you will see that my simulation has been solved, and I will go to the worksheet, and here you can see that all the unknowns have been calculated. I will move to the composition, and here you will see that my benzene in the bottom product is you can say 0.4476, and in the vapor or top product is 0.6571. So we can compare our results with the composition that has been solved or given in the example. So I will scroll down and you will see that benzene in the top product is 0.63 and in the bottom is 0.42, and in the simulation we had seen that our answer was 0.65 and 0.44. So these answers are very near to what we had simulated in Aspen HYSYS. So in this way, using these two equipments, you can simulate or you can do flash distillation in Aspen HYSYS. So I hope you like the video. Inshallah meet you in another video. Assalamu alaikum.